Not every trip is priced the same way. Some charge per person, some per couple, and some per vehicle. But if your booking page doesn't reflect that clearly, travelers get confused and hesitate to book. WP Travel Engine lets you create custom pricing type labels so your booking page speaks your traveler's language. In this video, I'll show you how to set them up and apply them to your trips. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over WP Travel Engine in the left sidebar and click on Settings. Once inside Settings, open Trip Settings from the General drop-down, then click on the Pricing Type tab at the top. This is where all your pricing type labels are managed globally. By default, you'll see two pricing types already listed here, person and group. But what if your trips need more than that? Let's add two new ones right now. Click Add Pricing Type at the bottom of the list. A new row will appear with two fields. For this example, we'll be adding two new pricing types, couple and vehicle. In the Type Per field, type couple, then add a short description if you'd like. Now let's add one more. This time, type vehicle in the Type Per field and add a description as needed. Once you're done, click Save Settings. Now that our pricing types are set up globally, let's go and apply them to an actual trip. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Trips and open the trip you want to edit. Inside the trip editor, click on Date and Price in the left menu. Here you'll see the packages you've already created for this trip. Click Edit Pricing and Dates on the package you want to update. Inside the package editor, you'll see the Price Categories tab. Here you'll see all the traveler categories you've set up. If you haven't created your categories yet, you can do that by clicking the Click Here, which will take you to the Categories page, where you can add categories like adult, couple, or Jeep rental by entering a name and clicking Add Category. We'll be covering this in detail in a future video, so stay tuned. Next, click on the adult category to expand it. You'll see the regular price field and right next to it, a pricing type dropdown. Click on that dropdown and you'll now see all four pricing types: per person, per group, per couple, and per vehicle, including the two new ones we just added. Now, let's assign the right pricing type to each category. For the adult category, select per person, meaning the price will be charged for each individual traveler. For the couple category, select per couple, meaning the price entered covers two people traveling together. And for the Jeep rental, select per vehicle, meaning the price is charged per vehicle rather than per person. Once you've set the pricing type for each category, click Save. Now let's go and see how this looks for your travelers. Open your trip page and you'll already notice the pricing is displayed clearly for each category right on the trip page itself. Now click Check Availability to start the booking flow. They'll see all the pricing categories laid out clearly. You'll notice that next to each price, the pricing type label is displayed exactly as we set it up. Adult shows per person, couple shows per couple, and Jeep rental shows per vehicle. So instead of just seeing a number, travelers know exactly what that price covers. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. We're always happy to help. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.